Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Greetings from Collegedunia. I would like to inform our viewers that Dr. Avinash Badar, sir, is the principal of KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur. He has completed his PhD from VNIT Nagpur and has an experience of over 25 years. He has won various accolades throughout his career, and we are truly privileged to have him on our leadership series, Thoughtful Leaders. Welcome, sir. So, sir, as the principal of KDK College, can you throw some light on its genesis? What was the idea behind the establishment of this institute?
Myself, Avinash Badar, is the vice principal of the college. If you see, there were no college in Vidarbha. There were only one college, Vishweshwaraya National Institute of Technology in Nagpur, and another one is at Amravati. So, looking into the difficulties of the students of this area, and specifically the rural areas, people are not able to get the admission in technical courses. So our ex-chairman thought that why not there should be an engineering college in Vidarbha. So he started Nagpur Polytechnic Nagpur in 1983, and in 1984 he started the KDK College of Engineering at Nagpur with the 3 courses in engineering. And his intention is student of the rural area and of Nagpur should able to get the admission in engineering, and so that Nagpur can also be developed as the main city of the India.
Okay, that's really great, sir. Sir, you have been in various leadership roles. What is your philosophy of leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
Regarding leadership, my aim is always have a teamwork. So we always work in a team, and in team means every and each person of the team should be able to communicate with the boss. So we always communicate with each and every member of my team, and we are giving the responsibility to each and every member of the team so that he should show his skill and come up with very big way. And if each and every person works in the team, definitely we are able to get our success. That is my intention, to have a team and work in a team, and I have a communication with each and every member, and boss should also work with every member of the team so that each and every person feels that we are working in a team.
That's really wonderful, sir. Sir, how is curriculum being changed so that it is in synchronization with the changing market trends?
You see, there are 2 things: service industries and entrepreneurship. So, first, service industries, we are having the industry institute interaction cell. We see what are the difficulties of the industries. We go to the VIS and visit the industries and see what type of skill power they require. Second one is entrepreneurship. So we see what are the problems if somebody wants to start the startup, what are his difficulties, and both these we study in depth, and then accordingly we change our curriculum. You see, we are running and we are giving different types of courses to the students. We are having E-Yantra Lab with IIT Bombay. In that we are having the robots, and students are trying to get it work done by giving the small task to the robot. In the same way, we are having the coding club. So in coding club, students are going to train for different programs. We are also having the CNC programming, E-Katia, different softwares also we are giving training to the program. And by giving this small program, training on this small program, students are able to compete in the world. In addition to that, we are giving also cultural program. We are having the Navamesh cultural program. In that, we are going to give the training to the student that how to work in a team. In the similar fashion, we are having the clubs in every department, student association in every department. For example, CISA, MESA, ISA. These are the association in every department. Civil engineering department having the CISA, And when the students are working in their department, in the association, they are getting the different cultural things, having habits to work in their team. In this way, we are developing our students with in addition to curriculum, we are giving this training to the students.
That's really wonderful, sir. Sir, amidst this lockdown, what are your plans for the coming batch in terms of induction and classes?
You see, what happens from 15 March of last March, colleges were shut down, and after that, 15-20 days were remaining for the last session. In that 15-20 days, we arranged the Google Meet. We purchased the Google Suite, Zoom, and WebEx, and all those things, and we run the classes of last 15 days for the students, and our students and faculty get trained, and students attended the online classes. So our students are trained, and definitely whenever now the government is going to give us the green signal for this session, we are having all this facility, and students definitely going to join the online classes if required, and we are ready to face the pandemic.
That's really great, sir. Sir, with the competition so high, how do you guide your students to survive in this competitive scenario?
We always guide the student to be updated. So, if the student is updated, they are able to face any challenge. In addition to updation, we are giving skill development program to the student. We are giving them training of the campus recruitment training to the students during the 4 years. So my student is always ready to face any challenges in the society.
That's really great, sir. Sir, you spoke about the placement training. So, sir, because of this COVID, students are very much skeptical about their placements. So, what are your thoughts on this skepticism?
Yes, truly speaking, yes, there is some problem, but now situation is going to be normalized, and even students are getting their joining letters, offer letter, and they are joining. And if you look, due to this pandemic, we are going to come up in a big way. If you see the sales figures of different businesses during this last 3 to 4 months, as compared to last year, now again the sale is started, and is in comparison with the last year. So, due to China and due to this pandemic, number of industries are shifting to India, and naturally India is going to become in a very big way. So definitely placement is also going to be there for the students, and no need to worry. We are going to come up, and our students is having a very good placement in coming years.
That's good to know, sir. Sir, what do you think are the USPs of your institute?
Yes.
Sir, what do you think are the USPs of your institute?
USP of my institute. First one is my college is accredited by National Board of Accreditation. So my degree is going to valid in all over the world. That is a main thing. Another is college is also accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bangalore. My college is also having A grade by the Maharashtra government. My college is centrally located and very good placement. In our website, we have given the placement figure. You see around 75% students are getting placement through the campus itself. These are the USP of my institute.
That's really good to know, sir. Sir, what do you think are the biggest challenges for higher education in India, and especially for KDK College?
Challenges regarding higher education challenges. First one is the teaching quality. Second one is financing, privatization, mushrooming of low quality institutes, moral issues. People don't want to work for the nation. These are the challenges, and due to these challenges, what happens? There is the negativity in the society. People are not turned out to the engineering education because of all this negativity. This is the challenge for my college, to mold the student, to attract the student for the engineering education.
Okay. That's good to know, sir. Sir, what are your expectations from the students who are going to be the part of KDK family from this year onwards?
First of all, they should be aware about the pandemic. Mentally, they should be strong to face this challenge. And if they concentrate in these 4 years for the engineering education, they are going to be come up in a very big way, because after pandemic there are lots of opportunities, lots of companies are coming, and so students having a very good placement in the coming years. In addition to this, I am giving some points that during these 4 years they should be see their lacunas and they should come up. For example, identify the people who inspire you and find out what makes them successful. Develop a portfolio of projects. Learn the value of networking. In addition to email, use LinkedIn or social media tools to connect online. Work in team as much as you can. Find out your flaws and fix them. These are my expectations from the students.
That's really great, sir. Sir, what would be your suggestion or message to the students who are aspiring to join your prestigious institute? Means, how should they prepare themselves?
Experience the dedicated, confident, tolerant and energetic spirit of every member of the institution. Our endeavor has always been to provide the best to the students and prepare them to take up the challenges of tomorrow so that they can come out of the institution. They are competent to handle the responsibilities of the engineering profession. And regarding infrastructure, we are having very good infrastructure, so they should enjoy the infrastructure. They join the institute. We are having a well-equipped laboratories, libraries, net facility. Each and everything in the college is available. Only thing, they should come, they should join institute. So in coming 4 years, they have to enjoy the lots of enjoyment in the college. And if they study, that there is one thing that we have heard, काबिल बनो, कामयाबी के पीछे मत दौड़ो. If they do the काबिल things and if they study the fundamental things of the engineering, definitely if they join the engineering education, they are going to be most successful in their career.
Rightly said, sir. Kabil bano. Sir, this discussion was really insightful. I'm sure the viewers will learn a lot from it. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.